Welcome back to Fish Out. Well, guys, the time has come. I finally found what I was looking for. When this Hot Wheel car first came out, they revealed in 2019 in Geneva. I was like, man, I wish Hot Wheel would do its own version of it. Well, the time has come. This is new for 2020. Number 228 out of 250. Sorry for the blurriness. As you see, new for 2020, Hot Wheel Exotic, 3 out of 10. Exotic supercar, always ready to race. I know I reviewed Lamborghini Urus, number 1 out of 10. So that was number 1, the SUV. This is the Koenigsegg Jesko. Let's just look it up first. Open it, look at it inside. So they finally came out. I wasn't aware that they were coming out, not until a month ago or so. So I started looking into it and just kind of trying to find one once I picked it up. So there you go. Pretty nice little gray color. Does roll real good, as you see. Let's look at it. Lime green stripes for electric, because it is all electric car. I mean, part electric, not all electric. I like how they integrate the wings instead of just sticking in there. They did it all the way, just like in reality car. Dihedral window, side window here. I mean, the dihedral doors. Airplane style windows. So pretty basic color, just like they came out when it first revealed this color and in white. Well, nevertheless, here we go. Fixed it. It was too blurry. Sorry. So nevertheless, when Koenigsegg revealed this car, one thing I want to tell you, nice little detail, Koenigsegg, in the center of the exhaust pipe. Well, nevertheless, when Christian von Koenigsegg revealed the car, he called out his dad. He named this car after his dad, Koenigsegg Jesko. So that's how it came out. So next car probably is going to name it after his mom, maybe, or his wife. So this is a successor of Koenigsegg Regera. So the production, they said, is going to have anywhere between 125, around 125 units to be built in reality. And only with about 40, 50 a year. So it's going to take 3 to 4 years maybe to build all the production version. Nevertheless, they're all sold out. So pretty good. $2 million car or so, and it's all sold out. I don't know, it's $2-3 million car. Nevertheless, thank you for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and see you next video with the Lamborghini, with McLaren Speedtail. That also picked it up, which I'm going to post a link down below. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and see you next time. One last thing I forgot to mention. The original car has anywhere between 1,200 to 1,600 horsepower. Depends on what kind of fuel you use. So it is a flex fuel, you could say. That means you can use some kind of fuel, either jet or... But pushes anywhere between 1,200 to 1,600 horsepower. A lot of cars, hypercars, are pushing over 1,000 horsepower, which exotic cars pushing over 500 now. And now these hypercars are pushing towards 1,500 or up. The his and hers edition. Yep, I think that sounds right.